Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Bashir Khan welcoming you all to very exciting and informative show today. We'll be showing you the glimpse of President Musharraf's recent visit. The former president was in Toronto and he spoke to close to 900 enthusiast audience, people from all walks of life, eager to listen what vision he has for Pakistan if he enters Pakistan Muslim League, and we'll be giving the preview of what transpired. Our professional cameraman, Sabil Gaya, was there to wrap up this report for your viewing pleasure. Ladies and gentlemen, as he mentioned earlier in my intro of the program today, that President Musharraf, the former chief of staff and the CEO and former president of Pakistan, was in Toronto. I have with me a very refined geopolitical, social figure of our community, Mr. Qamar Sadiq, who is the chair of the Multicultural Society of Pakistani Canadian, which has the honor to serve you over 3 decades. Qamar Bhai, it was a smashing success. We're going to show the preview to our viewing audience. You played a very important role in that organization, which had the honor, the dinner in honor of former president. And it went double what you folks were expecting. I was told originally that it's only going to be for 500 people. And there was over 900 people and there were no seat left. People were standing inside. First of all, my heartiest congratulations, not only because you support or you don't support someone, but it's a community event, it's a Canadian event, and I think it went very well. Congratulations. Tell me, who was involved beside your main participation into this?
Well, Bashir, thank you very much for having me at the studio and all the compliments that you've given me. Thank you very much. I'll just name a few people who were very instrumental in this dinner. One is Imran Siddiqui, who is the regional chair and coordinator of the APML, All Pakistan Muslim League. And he has a fine team of gentlemen working with him to support him. And I can name a few who were important. One, that is Zia, Zishan, Shahzad, Shiraz, and a few others that are too many today. But these were the main players who played a very important role. And of course, they asked me to join the team to help them, so that they wanted the function to turn out to be really nice, sophisticated, elegant, like we do the multicultural functions. You know that.
Qamar Bhai, it was a huge dinner and there was no ticket. So how did you manage to do this wonderful dinner free of cost?
Well, Bashir, everything has a cost, and some of the people were sponsoring it. We didn't go outright for sponsorship, but we selected a few people, and I think they sponsored the dinner, and we were able to cover the cost. And that is why it came a complimentary dinner to the community.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the benefit of viewers, Qamar Bhai, why don't we show some preview?
Thank you very much.
By the grace of God, we will see President Musharraf as the 12th President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
First of all, I would like to take this opportunity and thank Honorable President Musharraf Saab, who has visited our city at our request and who is our guest tonight. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for being here.
But, ladies and gentlemen, I personally think that there is sometimes a time comes when there is a larger cause than self. And that is the situation today. As I look back to Pakistan, I see a void in Pakistan. I see that Pakistan is on a downturn from all points of view. And we also do not see any party or any political leader who is capable of taking Pakistan out of its problems today. Therefore, one looks at the bigger cause of the state, and the bigger cause is bigger than self, and that is the state of Pakistan, which we all love. We all love Pakistan. This is the only state we have. Without this state, हमारी कोई छाप नहीं होगी, हमारी कोई मोहर नहीं होगी, हमारी आइडेंटिटी नहीं होगी, और हम एक इंटरनेशनल ऑर्फन्स बन जाएंगे. हमारी कोई रिस्पेक्ट नहीं होगी, क्योंकि कोई जगह हमारी नहीं होगी. तो इसलिए ये बहुत कीमती है पाकिस्तान हमारा, एक ही मुल्क है हमारा, इसी को बचाना है, इसी में रहना है, क्योंकि दिस इज आवर आइडेंटिटी. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, I decided to join politics because I think maybe अब दूसरा सवाल ये पैदा होता है, can I succeed? A lot of people ask me that. Yes, thank you. Yes, indeed. When I look back और एक पाकिस्तान की सूरत हाल में देखता हूँ, तो उधर का माहौल अगर देखा जाए, what is the environment in Pakistan? What do we see in Pakistan? There is a leadership void in Pakistan. There is mass demoralization in Pakistan, despondency in Pakistan. एक मायूसी छाई हुई है पाकिस्तान में. लोग पाकिस्तान को छोड़कर जाना चाह रहे हैं. इस मायूसी में, इस डिस्पोंडेंसी में लैक ऑफ लीडरशिप जब हो, लीडरशिप वाइड भी हो, मेरे ख्याल में ये बिल्कुल सही मौका है कि पाकिस्तानी कौम को एक ऑल्टरनेटिव दिखाया जाए. I call it the third alternative other than People's Party, PPMLN. Let us create another alternative in Pakistan, which the people of Pakistan and the international community sees as a viable option, not only to save Pakistan, but to move it forward in the International Committee of Nations. And therefore, I personally believe that we can create that third alternative or another alternative, and we can, inshallah ta'ala, succeed in the future. जिसने तमाम मुसलमानों को इकट्ठा किया कायदे आज़म के नारे के नीचे, उनकी विजन के साथ, और एक पाकिस्तान with a resolve, forward looking, with hope, एक पाकिस्तान got created. I feel that the same Qaid-e Azam Muslim League, the All Pakistan Muslim League, there is a need now to recreate the same Pakistan, Qaid-e Azam Pakistan, and to recreate and take it, move it forward in accordance to the same Qaid's vision that we know of 1947. That in accordance with the vision of Qaid-e Azam, Pakistan shall not believe or differentiate between any religion, color, creed or caste. We will all be equal in Pakistan. And this Sabse Pehle Pakistan, written in white, representing the minorities, depicts Qaid-e Azam's vision, which we shall inshallah follow. So this is the flag of All Pakistan Muslim League. Then we thought of the symbol for the All Pakistan Muslim League. And I thought the symbol should be dynamic. Symbol should be powerful. And therefore we thought of, after a lot of thinking, we thought of Shaheen. Shaheen, जो अल्लामा इकबाल की बहुत सी पोइट्री में, इतनी फिलॉसफी में बहुत प्रोमिनेंट जगह है शाहीन की. लेकिन शाहीन की कुछ क्वालिटीज़ मैं आपको अपनी तरफ से बताना चाहता हूँ. शाहीन वो है जो सबसे ऊंची उड़ान करता है, सबसे ऊंची उड़ान करता है. शाहीन वो है जो किसी फ्लॉक में नहीं उड़ता है, अकेला उड़ता है, showing its confidence in itself. और शाहीन वो है जो अपने आशियाने से निकल के वापस उधर नहीं आता है, जो हर परिंदा करता है, लेकिन ये पहाड़ों में और चट्टानों में रहता है. तो therefore शाहीन वो है जो इंडिपेंडेंट, कॉन्फिडेंस, करेज, और वो ऑल पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग की क्वालिटीज होंगी इंशाअल्लाह ताला. लेकिन उससे ज्यादा शाहीन की एक और क्वालिटी है जो सबसे ऊंची है. वो ये कि वो किसी और का मारा हुआ शिकार नहीं खाता है, वो अपना मारा हुआ शिकार खाता है। थैंक यू। तो इसलिए मैं कहूंगा कि ये शाहीन, ऑल पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग भी शाहीन की तरह हराम का नहीं खाएगी, हलाल का खाएगी इंशाल्लाह। So therefore, thank you। और एक पाकिस्तान की सूरत हाल में देखता हूँ तो उधर का माहौल अगर देखा जाए, what is the environment in Pakistan? What do we see in Pakistan? There is a leadership void in Pakistan. There is mass demoralization in Pakistan. Despondency in Pakistan. एक मायूसी छाई हुई है पाकिस्तान में। लोग पाकिस्तान को छोड़कर जाना चाह रहे हैं। इस मायूसी में, इस डिस्पोंडेंसी में लैक ऑफ लीडरशिप जब हो, लीडरशिप वाइड भी हो, मेरे ख्याल में ये बिल्कुल सही मौका है कि पाकिस्तानी कौम को एक ऑल्टरनेटिव दिखाया जाए। आई कॉल इट द थर्ड ऑल्टरनेटिव अदर देन पीपल्स पार्टी PPMLN। लेट अस क्रिएट अनदर ऑल्टरनेटिव इन पाकिस्तान which the people of Pakistan and the international community sees as a viable option, not only to save Pakistan but to move it forward in the International Committee of Nations. And therefore, I personally believe that we can create that third alternative or another alternative, and we can, inshallah ta'ala, succeed in the future. मैं ये जब कोई यहाँ के लोग आते हैं, कोई मैं यहाँ उर्दू में बोल रहा हूँ, कोई गोरे आ जाते हैं तो मेरी टांगें नहीं कांपती हैं उनके सामने। मैं उनकी आंखों में आंखें डाल के देखना जानता हूँ और बात करना जानता हूँ। तो ये अगर ये समझते हैं कि मैंने AQ खान साहब को बचाया है, मैं ये क्लेम करता हूँ मैंने उन्हें बचाया है। अगर कोई और होता वो ये हरकत करता जो मेरे से सवाल पूछा जा रहा है, क्योंकि उसकी टांगें खड़कती। तो मैंने कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं की है। मुझे मालूम था कि AQ खान ने जो कुछ पाकिस्तान के लिए किया है, ये हीरो हैं पाकिस्तान, हमारे लिए भी हीरो थे। मतलब मैं इनके घर जाया करता था, दावतों में इन्होंने बुलाया है मुझे, मैं इनसे मिला करता था। बिफोर आई वॉज आर्मी चीफ मैं इनके घर में गया हूँ। सो इसलिए ये तो सबके हीरो थे, लेकिन फिर इन्होंने एक बहुत ही बड़ी गलती की जिससे पाकिस्तान को इंतहाई नुकसान हुआ है। अब उस नुकसान से निकालना, ये दिस वॉज द बिगेस्ट, वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट एक्शन, वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट डिसीजन आई टुक एक्चुअली, कि जितनी परेशानी मुझे थी कि ये कितनी एम्बैरेसमेंट और कितनी दुनिया से, जापान से लेकर अमेरिका से हर शख्स जो डिमांड कर रहा था कि ये इसको पकड़ा जाए, इनको तो आप यहाँ कनाडा में और यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में रहते हैं, ये लोग कितने टॉलरेंट हैं आप लोगों को, इन्होंने पनाह दी हुई है, आप लोग यहाँ रहते हैं, आप कमाते हैं, यू आर अपवर्डली मोबाइल एज आई कॉल इट, doing well for yourselves and your future generations and your children. So you have to make sure that you abide by the laws, and you have to make sure that this extremism from the society, from within us, is curbed and stopped. जितना हमने इकोनॉमिक अपलिफ्ट पाकिस्तान को किया कि हम N11 कंट्रीज में से एक बन गए, 11 मुल्कों में से इकोनॉमिकली वाइब्रेंट कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, ये इसलिए हुआ कि पाकिस्तान में तमाम पोटेंशियल है, पाकिस्तान में रिसोर्सेज भी हैं, ह्यूमन पोटेंशियल भी है। सिर्फ एक लीडरशिप, हमारी लीडरशिप फेलियर्स हैं, लीडरशिप हैज बीन फेलिंग, अदरवाइज वी हैव ऑल द पोटेंशियल टू राइज एज अ नेशन एंड अ स्टेट, डू वेल फॉर आवरसेल्व्स, डू वेल फॉर द पीपल ऑफ पाकिस्तान।
If President Musharraf becomes president one more time, do you believe that he has the juice left in him to carry on or march on towards the progress and prosperity of Pakistan?
I think all in all, President Musharraf does have the know-how. Of course, no one is perfect. You've seen presidents of the world. They have had their problems and their share of problems. Look at President Bush, what happened. He was successful in some areas. In some areas, he just went down the tube, was terrible. So every president has its downfalls and ups, but if you weigh all these factors, I think President Musharraf in his reign did a lot good than a lot of other presidents who were there. And of course, looking into his shortcomings. We cannot ignore the shortcomings, but overall picture wasn't too bad.